Hi, Sylvie. How are you?
Very well, thanks. Ardis, I'm going to talk a little bit about you to all our viewers. So, Ardis Root is a school principal at Verdun Adult and Career Center. She's also a very active member at DKG Quebec. She's part of the steering committee for the It's My Day. Ardis taught a generation of Montreal pastry chefs, implemented a pastry program in China, that's interesting, and co-hosted a popular CBC radio show. So Ardis, you will be one of our presenters at the It's My Day, April 13th. So tell us a little bit about your workshop.
Well, my workshop is going to center around food, pastry. What I find is that for a lot of people, the answer to being stressed is to do something that you love. Do something often with your hands is a way to de-stress, energize, bring you forward with how you're feeling. So my workshop is going to be a little bit of a secret still exactly what we're going to do, but I can promise that there's going to be some watching, some learning about the chemistry behind pastry, why things work the way they do, and also a little bit of hands-on where everyone who attends will get a chance to make something as well.
Oh,
so I hope that you're teased. I hope you're wondering what's going to happen. It's going to be lots of fun. There has to be laughter. There has to be fun. This is a de-stressing activity.
And it's a de-stressing day. So it's so perfect, and I don't know what you're preparing, but I'm very curious. Let's all meet Ardis very soon. So Ardis, thank you very much.
Thank you, Sylvie. Really looking forward to April 13th.
Thank you. See you too. See you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.